everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to another Meals of the Week. So this is Monday and I made two big massive casseroles of cottage pie, and we had this on Monday and Tuesday, which was very handy. We had it with some coleslaw and some beans and it was absolutely delicious, and it even looks delicious here with me looking at it. Yeah, I'm putting it out very awkwardly there now. But the casseroles were straight out of the oven here. They were absolutely roasting. So that was a handy dinner. Sometimes on a Monday I will do enough for the 2 days, which is a great start to the week then, when you don't have to think on Tuesday of what to cook and get other things done instead. So that was Monday the 5th and Tuesday the 6th, cottage pie with beans. And then of course we had a little visitor on Tuesday morning to the children's shoes. Good old St. Nick himself came and gave them all a big stash of sweets each. They were delighted. Wednesday was celeriac soup, which I have on my channel from last Friday. I put up the method on how to make this and it was absolutely delicious. And it was so delicious we had it Wednesday and Thursday. And this is what we woke up to on Wednesday. A beautiful frosty white morning. And we've had a beautiful white scene out the window since. I love this time of the year and I just love all the whiteness everywhere. It's absolutely glorious. So yeah, there's Thursday, more celeriac soup. Friday, I did some salmon darns with baby potatoes, carrots, green beans and coleslaw, and some homemade hollandaise sauce. And it was absolutely delicious as well. We got our Christmas tree up on Friday night. There it is in all its brightness. Saturday we had steak with chips, and then there was so much left over we had steak with baby potatoes on Sunday. Yeah, the steak was on offer in our local Super Value, so I went overboard with the amount that we needed for Saturday. So yeah, it was great to have it for Sunday too. And that was Sunday morning breakfast, a rasher with poached egg and little cherry tomatoes. Great way to start the day. There's the tree again. And then this is just a few clips of a frosty walk that we had on Saturday morning out in 5th-11th, County Galway. Actually, no, sorry, it was Moycullen. I keep saying 5th-11th. It was Moycullen. And it was just so beautiful. I'll just let you look at this in peace and quiet, and I'll stay quiet in the background. And I'll leave you with Shuck and Shnachta, who are two lovely deer at wild lands in Moycullen. Shuck is the Irish for frost and Shnachta is the Irish for snow. Thank you all for joining me for another Meals of the Week. There was a lot of repetition, I know, but that made life a lot easier for me. And I would advise you to do the same if you can get away with it the odd time. So I'll let Shuck and Shnachta take it away. Enjoy the rest of this lovely Advent week. God bless. Bye.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Oh my God, I see.
What?
It's not real.
Oh,
It's so boring.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring and making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
jingle bells, jingle bells.